Hi, my name is Francine. We're going to do a video on Women's Month for people who died in Women's Month of breast cancer and other cancers. Pretty soon we're going to be doing, towards the end, we're going to do 1 minute of silence in a little while. Breast cancer is very, very deadly. It kills people all the time. Lung cancer kills women. And heart attacks kills women every year and every day. And depression kills and drugs. In a little bit, we're going to be going in 1 minute of silence. Please. For Women's Month. Now we are going in 1 minute of silence.